Ladies and gentlemen, please bring your attention to our home field as the Campbell University's own Sound of the Sandhills Marching Band once again performs for our home opener today. Today's presentation is a brief glimpse of their halftime show that you will see evolve for your entertainment. Please, in the future home games ahead. Please join drum majors Andrew Cobb and Kendall Poitras as the Sound of the Sandhills performs their show, Hype Up the Hope, music that brings us together, starting with 2001 Space Odyssey. And now, get on your feet, shake those hips, and come together with the Beatles. We need you again, and this time shout it out loud with the band, because in our journey together, we can't stop believing. All right, stay on your feet and join our Seuss section with a little bit of the Jackson 5's We Want You Back. Let's give a big round of applause. We believe together we can get through anything. the 2021 Sound of the Sandhills Marching Band.